Today's day 8 of intraday backtesting. So today's date is 18th August. So today was a easy market, though I couldn't able to take trade today. So today's no trade. I will explain you why I didn't take trade, though it was a easy trade. So today was a trending day. Let me show this future chart before heading to our analysis. See, you can see right. It opened gap up and it was a easy fall. It just was going down. It is in trending. It was on trending market. Around almost 800 points were down, but still I couldn't find a nice setup to take trade. So let me share you the 15 minutes of Nifty Bank. So it took clearly resistance. You can see it gap up. Yesterday, by the way, it created a gap up. I mean gap down, and today it created gap up. So all these gaps has to be filled technically. So today it opened gap up exactly at the resistance zone, and all this gap got filled, and later it even broke the support also. So let me make this to 1 minute time frame. I will show the Nifty 50 also. So same like this, resistance support. It opened a gap up. As usual, Nifty made a new high, which is 15,700. Sorry, 16,700, and then the gap got filled, and then it also broke the resistance support. So in 1 minute time frame of Bank Nifty, so this was the chart. So this is the area that should be filled. Okay, so I got a channel pattern here and a breakout, but the reason why I didn't take entry here is it took breakout and retraced. The reason I didn't took trade is in Nifty it was showing around almost 100 points, which is great, but if you look at the Nifty chart, I mean Nifty futures chart, there was not much gap to be filled. So let me see the time, 10:49, right? So if you see the same futures chart in 10:49, so this was the candle 10:49. So you can see it almost reached 36,040. So from 36,040 to here, it's just like 50 points, right? 56 points. So I thought like it is not a good trade since there will be a strong support. Also, won't be much RR ratio. I was aiming for at least 70 points. So the next trade was it break down and it filled it nicely. The gap got filled easily. You can see neatly gap got filled. Then another thing, then and again it got like a symmetrical triangle, asymmetrical triangle pattern like this, and it also broke here. So the reason why I didn't take trade here is that the fall was huge. It didn't even it did not even retraced. So there, let me see 1237. So in 1237, what happened? 1237, yeah, 1235 chart. So you can see that the Nifty has already the gap got filled before 1235. This is 1235 candle, so it easily got filled. So there was no support from the Nifty as well. So that was the reason why I didn't take trade here also, since there was a proper setup. I didn't took trade, and again it was this area was also acting as support. So you can clearly see this area support, and later it fell. So first thing is it was huge move, and second thing was there was not like proper setup for me to take trade, and I don't know like where to keep the profit or neither stop loss. I can keep my profit, I mean stop loss here, but I can't find a profit area because it was acting as support zone. Let us think like this. So I'm taking a trade here. Let us say I'm taking short position here. So first first target would be, of course, this will be my profit. Sorry, stop loss. I won't keep this strict stop loss. I will keep either above, because sometimes the wicks can hit the stop loss easily. And if you see, this was the support zone, right? This area. So this was the support zone. So I have to keep my stop loss. I mean, take profit here. So see, you can see the RR. This was not showing a good RR, so I could not take a trade. Yes, it is a trending market. It's an easy way that everything is can be decided only after the day is over, right? Before that, you have to look after all that risk management, position sizing. Everything should be perfect. Until then, it's waste of time and waste of taking a trade. So that was the thing. And Nifty actually closed below the support. You can see this was taking support almost six times. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, sixth time the support didn't take. It just got fell. It can be a normal profit booking. Number one reason it can be a profit booking. Number two is its resistance zone. You can see that it's a proper resistance zone. I thought it will be taking support here, but it didn't. It failed. And Nifty made a new high. Maybe the institutions would have thought this is the time to book profits. Also, another thing is tomorrow is Mogaram, so the expiry has closed day before. Usually the expiry is Thursday, but today got ended since there was no trading day tomorrow, and maybe that's the reason why we could see this much big fall. So that's it. Thanks.